Hello, you wonderful listeners. Welcome to yet another episode of Eccentric Enclaves. And today we are addressing chocoholics and literature lovers to a delicious dive into the world of Roald Dahl and his most iconic confectionery creation, Willy Wonka. But before we sink our teeth into the fantastical chocolate factory, let's take a detour to Dahl's teenage years at the prestigious Repton School. Buckle up, viewers, because we are about to unwrap a surprising connection that might just explain the magic behind the Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Imagine young Roald, barely a teenager, surrounded by his classmates, but instead of textbooks, their desks are piled high with chocolate. Cadbury, the legendary British chocolatier, had a unique marketing strategy, sending mystery boxes of experimental treats to boarding schools like Repton, seeking the discerning palates of young taste testers. And guess who emerged as the self proclaimed chocolate connoisseur? Yup, young Roald. For years, Dahl indulged his sweet tooth, meticulously evaluating each creation, offering feedback with phrases like, too subtle for the common palate. These tastings weren't just a sugary treat, they were an ignition switch for his imagination. The fantastical flavors, the Willy Wonka esque secrecy surrounding the test boxes, it all fueled his creative fire. Fast forward to the publication of Charlie and Chocolate Factory, the eccentric Willy Wonka, his fantastical inventions, and the entire chocolate factory itself. Could they be echoes of those teenage taste testing adventures? The whimsical descriptions, the unique flavors, it all seems to whisper, inspired by Cadbury, perfected by imagination. Steve Jobs once famously said, you can't connect the dots looking forward, you can only connect them looking backwards. But what if I told you the dots are always there, whispering hints waiting to be noticed? Like the young Roald Dahl nibbling on Cadbury chocolates at his boarding school desk, who knew those sweet indulgences would become the seeds of Willy Wonka's fantastical factory? So pay attention to your surroundings, the hidden cues, the unexpected experiences. They might just be the seeds of your own creative adventure. What seemingly ordinary detail could be the spark that ignites your imagination? Don't wait to connect the dots, start noticing them now and unlock the magic hidden within the present. Remember, the world is brimming with possibility. Keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep your eyes open for the next delicious, life changing bite. So, the next time you bite into a Cadbury bar, remember you might be taking a bite into literary history. And who knows, maybe your own taste buds hold the key to your next big creative adventure. Until next time, keep reading, keep dreaming, and keep exploring the magic that lies within the ordinary. Follow us for more such interesting content. Until next time, bye bye.